Who are you signaling for? God? There's no one there. There's no point. Like you obviously look back there to see that there's nobody back there. So you're being.
Doesn't matter.
No, it does matter because you're being fucking conscious about it all. Like instead of just turning your signal on for no reason, you look back and see if there's anybody there to fucking pay attention to or not.
No reason. The reason is you're changing lanes.
If there was somebody there, I would have signaled. But seeing how there's no one there, me signaling wouldn't have fucking mattered anyway.
Clearly it mattered to me.
Well, for some reason, beyond my fucking comprehension. Fuck, I hope there's a cop up here. Huh? I'm doing my almost $120. That guy's doing over that. Signaling now for.
See, that's what I mean. If you actually signaled every time when you were supposed to, you wouldn't signal for no fucking reason.
Well, I just signaled so in case you didn't say something.
Did you change lanes?
Oh, yeah.
Are you turning a corner?
Yeah.
That's a curve, not a corner.
It's the same thing.
No, it's not. This is a corner.
Yeah, we have to go around a circle. Half a quarter circle. That's what I was doing. That's just bigger. That's just
is
the bigger
there a
corners.
stoplight or a stop sign on the fucking curve? No, but there's one at the corner.
I can't believe this. Signal, I don't signal. I get yelled at either way.
You instigated that last one.
Come on. You want?
A spicy chicken sandwich and a small fry. Please.
Can I take your order?
Can I get 3 spicy chickens?
Just the sandwiches?
Yep. And a small fry?
Anything else today?
No, that's it.
$20.75, thank you.
Thank you. You better be fucking good or I'll be back.
The fuck is HST and HST1? And why are we paying 2 different taxes on food?